The 10 most expensive fighter jets in the world. 10. Mikoyan MiG-35, estimated at $40 million. 9. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, price of about $30 million. 8. Shenyang FC-31, speculated to be around $70 million. 7. Boeing FA-18EF Super Hornet, price tag of about $70 million. 6. Dassault Rafale, costs about $77 million. 5. Eurofighter Typhoon, each unit costs roughly $90 million. 4. Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, $50 million each unit. 3. Chengdu J-20, estimates suggest a price of $100 million or more. 2. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, unit cost at $150 million. 1. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, over $100 million.